I'm not a Ducati fanboy. I'm not. I bought this Ducati with these Yazumo with these fucking stupid mirrors.
Man, I can't fucking believe this.
Bar end mirrors. I don't get on with them. With these fucking stupid mirrors. They look very nice, but I don't get on with them.
And I do have some thoughts.
So what we're gonna do is put the OEM mirrors back onto the motorcycle.
I would be happy to, sir.
We're all different. It's just for me. I don't get on with them. They don't work.
Hit it!
It's showtime.
We a long way from piss poor and all the shit that we endured. I told you what you was in for, so I'ma change your life, I'ma change it. I'ma change your life. I'ma change your life, I'ma change it.
Yes!
And these are the bar end mirrors. It's just how small the mirror is.
Oh my god!
And when you think you've got a helmet on, a visor, the mirror is not exactly right close up to you.
Somebody's gonna get killed. Somebody's gonna get their motherfucking head blown.
Oh my god!
These don't look like some kind of cheap eBay ones though.
No.
They've even got rubber mounts in them, but I'm just not seeing any branding. But the cap feels the same as the Ducati Rizoma stuff.
Good job.
I'm going to assume that these were bloody expensive or £9.99 off eBay, one of the two, you can't tell. About the mirror bolts is they've got thread lock pre-applied to them, but they don't screw in. Normally they're reverse thread, and that just stops them undoing in like normal operations. So if I was to tighten this up, see how the thread's kind of reversed, it tightens up when you loosen it. Just stops it coming undone.
And that's all it is.
And they come with these tiny little lock washers, which are washers that are cut, as you can see there. So it looks odd when you put it on, but once pressure's applied, it kind of digs in. So one bit will dig into the top of the screw, the other bit will dig into your handlebars, and they're oiled as well, lubricated.
What?
Nice touch.
I'm ready to go. So a bit of trivia for you. On the off side of the motorcycle, if you lefty-loosey, it tightens up, and if you righty-tighty, it loosens up. So when fitting the mirror, you have to set your to lefty-loosey rather than righty-tighty. So lefty-loosey tightens it up. Isn't that weird? It stops it coming undone, because literally as the forces are pushing the mirror back like this, it's forcing the mirror to become tighter. So that's why they did a reverse thread on it, so that once it's done up, the only forces that should be applied to it are the ones that push back on it, that would only force it to be tighter.
Good job.
But then on the near side, it is lefty-loosey, righty-tighty.
if you apply too much force of the tool, can you literally crack the plastic? Or
Well, you'll
crack
crack
the thread?
the casting. Yeah.
What?
Oh my god!
So there's only so much pressure you want to cut them up with. So that's why I'm using quarter drive tools, so that you can't really, well, unless you're an absolute butcher, you can't round anything off.
Smart.
Good job. Yes!
I'll just redo the other one, I'm happy.
Proper job.
Yes!
The little rascal has spirit.
Air-cooled Ducati.
You got a fucking Ducati. You gotta say it like that, a fucking Ducati.
Let me gushies. Look at the corrosion.
Fucking Ducati.
Shut your fucking child mouth.
Fucking Ducati.
God fucking damn it!
Barring the mirrors. They don't work for me. Because they're absolutely tiny. Mirrors.
Fuck yourself. I serve my country. Why don't you try serving yours?
You have to look about 4 times in the mirror to see what's actually going on. And by the time that's happened and you re-look, it's too late. It's already happened.
Oh my god!
And then it goes back to the original OEM mirrors from Ducati. And they work a treat.
Yes!
The little rascal has spirit. As water.
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, kid.
I'll be back.
I'll be back. I'll be right back.
And that's all, folks.
I'll be back.
Vide le luci in mezzo al mare, pensò alle notti là in America, ma erano solo le lampare e la bianca scia d'un'elica. Sentì il dolore della musica, si alzò dal pianoforte, ma